How to log out of Telegram X account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log out of Telegram X account. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Telegram X app and make sure you are logged in. Navigate to three-line icon at top left. The side menu bar appears. Simply choose Settings option. On the setting menu, select the three dots at top right. Now, Logout button will appear. Tap Logout and you'll reach on this Logout alternative option section where you can even tap on Logout or use change phone number. So select Logout and tap Logout to finally confirm. And with that, you will successfully log out of Telegram X account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.